Trinidad and Tobago Snacks Recipe Part 3 by Angel Nightingale. Number 1. Pholourie, the perfect snack food for gatherings of family and friends. A fried savory seasoned fritter that is commonly paired with some chutney of your choice. This is a street snack that is common in Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, and Suriname. It is pronounced pholourie. It's a spiced dough ball that is deep fried. You usually get them in a plastic bag soaked in some kind of chutney dip. Split peas are traditionally used in the flour mixture. That requires some overnight soaking of the split peas. Personally, I do not like dal, split peas, in flour. I really do not. This recipe is a quicker version. What is pholourie made of? The ingredients list is pretty basic. Items you easily have in your pantry: self-raising flour, salt, sugar, curry powder, instant yeast, baking powder, water. All, and you are easily just mixing these all together and then frying. You do need to make it sit for a bit so that the yeast can kick in so that you can get a light pholourie. During your downtime with the mixture, I suggest you use that time to make whatever type of dipping sauce you are going to make. If you don't have the time or the patience to mix up a dip, you can try the store-bought chutneys. Prep time: 45 minutes. Cook time: 15 minutes. Total time: 1 hour. Ingredients: 2 cups self-raising flour, a half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2.5 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 1/3 cups water. All for deep frying. Instructions: mix all ingredients together and leave to sit for 30 minutes. Heat all in a frying pan on medium-high heat. When hot, using double spoons, drop batter into oil and fry till brown. Drain on paper towel. Serve. Nutrition facts: calories 55, fat 1 g, Saturday, fat 0 g, carbs 10 g, fiber 1 g, net carbs 9, sugar 0 g, protein 2 g, sodium 81 milligrams, cholesterol 0 g. Number 2. Kurma course desserts. Cuisine: East Indian. Prep time: 30 minutes. Cook time: 30 minutes. Total time: 1 hour. Orthophilics: simply Trini cooking. Ingredients: 1 pound flour, a 1/4 cup shortening, a 1/4 cup butter, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, a half cup water to knead flour, a half cup granulated sugar. Instructions: sift the flour, add the cinnamon powder and ginger powder, and cut in the butter. Add the water gradually and mix to form a firm but hard enough dough. Cut the dough evenly and roll into balls. Dust the surface with a little flour and roll out each. Roll until the dough is about a quarter thick. Cut the rolled dough into strips, about 3 long strips. Drop the first batch of strips in hot oil. Stir to ensure strips are covered with oil. Fry first on a low flame until crispy. Then raise the fire. Fry until golden brown and remove and place on napkins or brown paper. Drop the grated ginger in a half cup of boiled water. Add the sugar, about 1 cup of sugar. Stir occasionally until a thick syrup is made. Pour syrup over kurma and mix quickly to glaze the kurma. Set aside the kurma to cool before serving. Number 3. Sahina bites, vertical bar, gluten-free and vegan, made from dashin bush or taro leaves. It can be rolled or chipped up and added to a batter then deep fried. We chose the latter and turned them into little gluten-free sahina bites that are full of flavor and so easy to enjoy, especially when served with my mango chutney. Enjoy this Trinidadian local favorite in bite-sized form. Our gluten-free sahina bites are yummy, delicious, and a real treat to eat. Ingredients: 1 cup plus 2 TBSPS GF11. I used Bob's Red Mill 11 with great results. 2/3 cup plus 2 TBSPS split piece flour. 2 TSPS baking powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1½ cup dasheen bush or taro leaves finely chopped. 2 cups water. Coconut oil for frying instructions. In a large bowl, combine the dried ingredients and whisk to combine well. Add the dasheen bush and using a fork stir together to make sure the leaves are evenly distributed throughout the flour. Pour the water into the flour mixture and using the fork stir as you pour so that a batter begins to form and there are now flour lumps. If the batter seems to dry, simply add more water TBSP at a time until desired texture has been reaches. Heat a pot of oil to deep fry the sahina. Using 2 spoons, drop a heaping tablespoon of batter into the oil carefully. Fry until golden on the outside and the center is cooked, turning as they fry to ensure even cooking. About 3 minutes or so. Try not to overcrowd the pan, as this can affect the quality of the sahina as it fries. Once the sahina is done, remove from oil and let drain on a cooling rack or plate lined with paper towels. Simply serve with your favorite chutney and enjoy.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Have a beautiful day to each and everyone.